GANGTOKPEX 2024 celebrates philatelic excellence with outstanding exhibits. Shital Pradhan from Sikkim wins Vermeil. Singtam, 14th February 2024. The prestigious GANGTOKPEX 2024, February 7th to 8th, organized by Sikkim Post and held at Sir Tashi Namgyal Senior Secondary School. Gangtok concluded on a high note, showcasing the extraordinary talent of philatelists from Sikkim and nearby region. The Vermeil Medal, the highest honor in the senior category, was awarded to Shital Pradhan from Singtam, Sikkim, for his captivating exhibit titled Sikkim Through Philately, earning an impressive 72 marks. In the senior category, silver medals were bestowed upon Deepen Pradhan, Rhenock, India pre-independence, Sushil Karthak, Siliguri, famous Indian, Anand Yonzone, Darjeeling, the Postal System, and Nilema Yonzone, Darjeeling, women empowerment, each receiving 62 marks for their outstanding contributions. Bronze medals were shared by Ganesh Kumar Pradhan, Rhenock, Philatelic exhibition in India special covers on Sikkim, Shishir Pradhan, Singtam, World of Football, Sunita Gurung, Singtam, Darjeeling Postal Collection special covers on Sikkim, Sushil Karthak, Siliguri, Rhino, Rubenn Pradhan, Rhenock, India Miniature Sheet, Shanti Bhuzal, Rhenock, Biodiversity, Anirudh Sharma, Rhenock, Toy Train Through Philately, and Bipul Das, Siliguri, Himalayas, with each participant earning a commendable 57 marks. In the junior category, young talents were recognized with silver medals awarded to Sumiran Tirwa, Ekashre Tamang, Ujjalta Singh Sunwar, Nancy Gurung, and Vishu Pradhan for their impressive exhibits. Meanwhile, Subhasna Basnet, Sudarshan Rai, Akriti Rai, Albin Sohit Chetri, Meena Sharma, Tanishka Pradhan, and Siddharth Razili received well-deserved bronze medals. The philatelic exhibition featured the unveiling of the special cover of Chaibrang, a musical instrument of the Limbu tribe of Sikkim, designed by Roshan Prasad, a renowned philatelist from Sikkim. Additionally, a philatelic workshop and quiz competition for students, hosted by the knowledgeable Vermeil Yonzone from Darjeeling, added an educational and engaging dimension to the event. Deepen Pradhan from Rhenock, Sikkim had designed the beautiful logo of GANGTOKPEX 2024. Popular philatelists from Cooch Behar, Berhampur, Sikkim and Darjeeling were included at the invitee class. Those included Asit Kumar Ghosh, Surjakanta Biswas, Roshan Prasad and Vermeil Yonzone. Ganesh Pradhan, President of the Sikkim Philatelic Society, has congratulated the Sikkim Post for successfully conducting the event. Pradhan further extended his congratulations to the awardee participants.